Are you struggling with yellow teeth, plaque buildup, or bad breath? You're not alone. Plaque forms when bacteria in the mouth mix with food particles and saliva, creating a sticky film on the teeth. If not removed, it hardens into tartar, leading to tooth discoloration, cavities, and gum problems. Common causes of plaque include poor oral hygiene, sugary and acidic foods, excessive tea or coffee consumption, smoking or tobacco use, lack of regular flossing. But don't worry. Today, I'll share a powerful natural remedy to remove plaque, whiten your teeth, and keep your gums healthy, without any chemicals. But before we start, support my channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss an effective natural remedy. Ingredients and benefits. This remedy uses just 3 powerful ingredients. Wild turmeric. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, helping remove plaque, fight gum infections, and naturally whiten teeth. If you don't have wild turmeric, you can use normal turmeric instead. Salt. Salt is a natural teeth cleanser that removes stubborn stains, strengthens gums, and balances oral pH to prevent bacteria buildup. If coarse salt irritates your gums, use fine quality salt or grind it into a fine powder for a smooth texture. Mustard oil. Mustard oil has strong antibacterial properties, deeply cleanses, removes plaque, and strengthens gums, leaving your teeth smooth and white. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of wild turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a small bowl. Add a few drops of mustard oil to make a smooth paste. Take a small amount of this paste on your toothbrush or finger. Gently rub your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes in a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly with water. You can also mix this paste with your regular toothpaste for extra whitening power. Storage tip. Mix equal quantities of wild turmeric and salt in a glass airtight jar. This makes it easy to use whenever needed. When ready to use, take 1/2 teaspoon of the mixture and add a few drops of mustard oil to form a paste. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. You'll start noticing a difference within a few uses. If you found this remedy helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more natural beauty and health tips. Let me know in the comments if you try this remedy. I'd love to hear your results. Stay natural, stay beautiful. See you in the next video.